Hi, welcome back to our channel. So, as you know, our series is going on Enersol Home Protector. In the last video, we discussed about benefits and configuration of our home protector. If you didn't watch the video, go and watch out. I will provide link in the description. In today's video, we discuss about display and function of home protector. Let's have a look on that. As you see, the first LED is of OV, that is over voltage. It blinks when over voltage occurs. Next LED is UV, that is under voltage. It blinks when under voltage condition occur. Next LED is of OL, that means overload. It blinks when overload condition occurs. Next LED is EL, that is earth leakage. It blinks when earth leakage condition occurs. Now on display you see two portion. One is left one that shows voltage and the right one shows the current. Now we go to left side. Here you see RYB LEDs. R LED is glowing means R phase voltage and current value will be shown on display. When Y LED is glowing, that means Y phase voltage and current will be shown on LED. Next B, when B LED is glowing, that means B phase voltage and current will be shown on our display. Now we go to right side. Here you see load on green LED. It glows continuously when all of our three phases having continuously normal supply. If this LED is blinking, that means at least one phase have any problem and that phase is not having output supply. Now we see three button here: up button, down button and OK button. Up and down button is used for scrolling and OK button is used for selecting. Now let's see how we can check different phase wise voltage and current. As I earlier also told you, by up button we can change to next parameter, that is Y phase voltage and current. By again pressing up button we go to B phase voltage and current, and by down button you can go above like Y phase, now R phase, and at last after B phase when we press up button, here it comes EL, that means earth leakage. The earth leakage value will be shown here. Now we discuss about home protector LEDs and switch function. So right now over voltage LED is not glowing, that means there is no over voltage condition. Now we create over voltage condition, and as you see, after over voltage condition our OV over voltage LED starts blinking. Now again we came back to our normal situation. Now we check here UV, that is under voltage LED. It is off, means there is no under voltage condition. So now we create under voltage condition, and as you see, when under voltage condition occurs, UV under voltage LED starts blinking. And if under voltage LED continuously glowing, that means under voltage condition is bypassed. Further we will discuss about it. Now we see overload LED. If this is off, that means overload condition is not there. Now we create overload condition, and you see our LED of overload starts blinking, and we cannot bypass overload and over voltage situation. Now we move to next LED, that is earth leakage. When earth leakage condition is not there, the LED is not glowing, and when we create earth leakage condition, the LED of EL starts blinking. Let's create earth leakage condition. As you see, I created earth leakage condition and our EL LED starts blinking. And if EL LED is continuously glowing, that means our earth leakage is bypassed. Further, we will discuss how to bypass earth leakage. Now I will tell you how to bypass and restart the device. To restart the device, we have to hold up button for 6 seconds. And you see our device restarts. Now we create under voltage condition and bypass the under voltage condition. So as you see, our under voltage LED starts blinking. That means under voltage condition is there. Now we bypass it by pressing and holding for 6 seconds the down key. As you see, our under voltage condition is bypassed and our under voltage LED is continuously glowing. That means our under voltage is bypassed. Now to again remove the bypass condition, we have to again press the down key for 6 seconds. And as you see, now our home protector provides safety again to under voltage. Now we see how we can bypass earth leakage condition. So first of all, we have to create earth leakage condition. Now you see earth leakage condition is created and our EL LED blinking. So we can bypass earth leakage by pressing and holding OK button for 6 seconds. And as you see, our LED starts continuously glowing of earth leakage. That means our earth leakage condition is bypassed. Now we again want again back to remove the bypass condition. So we again press OK button for 6 seconds. And you see our earth leakage bypass condition is removed. And remember one thing, that when overload warning exceeds, we have to manually restart our home protector by pressing up button key for 6 seconds. And also after earth leakage condition, we have to manually restart it by holding up button for 6 seconds to get back to our supply. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.